Good day everyone, welcome back to Another This Dope, and today I want to highlight a brand that I have been using for quite some time, and that brand is Fanttik. I have been using them for quite some time. They make real good long-standing products, great build quality, universal design with respect to the color scheme. As you can see, all have this nice black and yellow design. These are two products that I've been using for quite some time. This is the Fanttik Tire Inflator and the Portable Vacuum. This is a new addition to my Fanttik family right over here. This is a Fanttik electric scissor. Before I get to this, let me highlight this right here. This is one of the products that I have in all of my cars. This is a portable tire inflator. If you're doing a lot of driving, a lot of road trips, I highly recommend you get a tire inflator. We are approaching summertime, so I think this is a must-have for anyone who's driving. What's great about this, it's a multi-function product. So let me show you why I highly recommend this. First off, this does charge and recharge via USB-C right over here. But you also have a USB-A port as an outlet port. So let's say if you want to recharge your phone, your laptop, whatever the case is, you can recharge it via USB-A. What's also good about this, it has a built-in light. So let's say if you got stopped at night and you want to shine a light on whatever you're working on, if you're trying to change a tire or to inflate a tire, at least you have a built-in light right here so you can see what you need to do. Your controls are right over here. To turn it on, simply press and hold the center button right here. Once you turn it on, you have a clear screen to let you know just what you're doing and just how much pressure you're putting into whatever device. To switch between what you're inflating, simply have to press this button right here to go from motorbike, bicycle, basketball, car, right? And once you select whatever you want to inflate, you could simply go up or down on what PSI level you want to get to. Once you select that, you simply have to press the middle button to turn it on to begin the inflation. This is what you would attach to the top right here, and this side will be the side that goes into your vehicle tire. I'm not going to turn it on because it's going to get a little bit loud. It will get loud in here, so I probably won't turn it on inside of here right now. To activate the light, you simply have to press the button right over here, and that turns your light on. So now you can see whatever you're working on quickly and easily. When you're all done, simply press and hold the power button right here, and that turns everything off. Great device. I highly recommend this, especially if you're doing a lot of road trips this summer. Everyone needs a portable tire inflator. Speaking about a must-have for your vehicle, I highly have to recommend a portable vacuum. If you're a clean freak like me, or if you have kids in your car moving around, highly recommend a portable vacuum. So this is a Fanttik portable vacuum. Good part about this also charges and recharges via USB-C. You have a nice soft grip area right here with the Fanttik branding. You have your power button and your speed adjuster right here. This has 2 speeds. It has a clear screen to let you know just how much charge you have. This is your catch can for all of your dirt. To open it up, simply turn and twist to open it up like that. To clean the dirt out, simply have to pull this out to get the dirt out. This is your main filter housing and also your main filter right here. And so once you open this up, you can simply knock this clean, get all the dirt off, reinsert it just like that, and you're good to go. Once that's all done, simply put it back in, turn and twist, locks in back into place. I'm just going to run this for a little bit so you can see just how great the suction from this little vacuum is. So first off, power up. As you can see, little device, great suction. Great device to have. If you want to keep your car clean, you can use this in the house, the bedroom, wherever. Great portable vacuum. And speaking about portable and great products from Fanttik, this is my new go-to device from Fanttik. I get a lot of packages and I often have to cut them up by hand. I often have to cut them up by scissor, rip them apart. It gets exhausting, so I decided to get this. This is a portable electric scissor. What's great about this does also recharge via USB-C. You have a display screen here to let you know how high your device speed is. So this has eco, regular, and max speed. And you also have a screen to let you know just how much charge this actually has. Your safety button is right here. So once you press the safety button and you press the trigger, it begins to activate. As you can see, you do have a light here to let you see just exactly what you're cutting. Your blade is right over here. So the blade is not a circular blade, it's a octagonal type of blade with respect to on the shape of the actual blade. And your blade guide is right over here. And as I said, you could see clearly just how much charge you have on the back of the screen. Once you turn the power selector, it changes color to match whatever speed you're currently operating at. So for example, why I decided to get this, so let's say, as I said, I get a lot of packages. Let's say I get this box and I want to cut this box up. So I select my speed. So this is in the eco speed, and I simply could use this to quickly and easily cut this box apart. This is a great tool to have, especially, as I said, if you get a lot of boxes. You can use this to cut paper, plastic, as long as it's less than 7 millimeters with respect to the cross-sectional size. You could easily use this to cut this apart. That was in the eco speed setting. I'm going to go to regular so you can see what it looks like in regular speed. Nice and easy, nice and quick. And this is in max speed. Just flies through it like if it was butter. So again, great product from Fanttik. This is something I'm going to use quite a lot around the house. That's really good to have. Again, all of Fanttik products are really good to have, and they all come in these nice portable cases to fit the respectable device. So for example, this could easily drop into here just like that and be moved around with quickly and easily. Same for the vacuum, same for the tire inflator. So as I said, Fanttik makes real great products. The build quality is always pretty good. The battery life is pretty good. I've never had any issues with their products, and I will continue to use Fanttik products as long as they make new, nice, nifty designs. So I gotta admit, all of these are pretty great. All of these are pretty dope. So until next time, see you guys.